Cretinism. Cretinism is caused by extreme hypothyroidism during fetal life, infancy, or childhood. This condition is characterized especially by the failure of body growth and by mental retardation. It can be congenital cretinism or endemic cretinism. The congenital cretinism results from the failure of thyroid gland to produce thyroid hormone because of some genetic defect of the gland, or and the endemic cretinism is because of the lack of iodine in the diet. A neonate born with thyroid gland defect may have a normal appearance and function in the early few days of the life, because he or she was supplied with some of the thyroid gland hormone by the mother while in utero. But a few weeks after birth, how the neonate's movements become sluggish and both physical and mental growth begin greatly to be greatly retarded. The treatment is can be at any time with adequate iodine or thyroxine. Usually, it causes normal return of the physical growth. The features of cretinism include failure of the body growth, mental retardation, idiotic look, dribbling of saliva. Skeletal growth in child with cretinism is characteristically more inhibited than in soft tissue growth. The soft tissues are likely to enlarge excessively, giving the child with cretinism an obese, stocky, and short appearance. Tongue becomes so large in relation to the skeletal growth that it obstructs swallowing and breathing, inducing a characteristic guttural breathing and sometimes chokes the child. Treatment. A neonate with a thyroid gland may have normal appearance and function because it was supplied with some thyroid hormone by the mother in utero. The treatment with cretinism of the neonate with cretinism at any time with adequate iodine or thyroxine usually causes normal return of physical growth. Unless the cretinism is treated within a few weeks after birth, mental growth remains permanently retarded. This results from retardation of the branching, and myelination of neuronal cells of the central nervous system at this critical time in the normal development of the mental powers. Now, this is a table of comparison between the hypothyroidism and hypothyroidism. After reading from the book, you can revise the whole topic from this table. Everything is compared, symptoms are compared, causes, TSH levels, and treatment.